Hi, how are you? Thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook beef tongue. Beef tongue, see, we're boiling water. This is beef tongue. You know, we like beef steak, but beef tongue is so much softer. See, we have spices, and we're gonna get to cooking. We're gonna get to cooking because water boiling on high. Water boiling on high. See, water. And this is main thing, beef tongue. See, beef tongue you can buy at farmer's market, Buford Highway farmer's market, but it's gonna be much more expensive. This is bought at Nam Dai Moon on Satellite in Duluth. So now look, we're gonna unwrap this. This is beef tongue. It's very soft. After you boil, you know, you're gonna have to boil for about 5 hours, and we're gonna show you how to do all that. See, we're unwrapping. This is a beef tongue. See, beef tongue. And this skin, after you boil, see, first we're washing, and then after you boil, you're gonna take off this little skin. It's gonna get much softer. It's gonna easily peel off, and inside it's gonna be so soft. The meat is gonna be incredibly delicious. See, we washed it, and we're going to our pan. Look, here we have water boiling. See, oh. Water boiling. Very nice. Very nice. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put some bay leaves in here. Bay leaves. See, bay leaves are very nice. Probably enough. Enough. And then, complete seasoning. Complete seasoning. And good, don't be shy, you know, because this is a lot of water. A lot of water. It needs a lot of spices. We're going to put a little bit lemon juice in there. Lemon pepper. This is very good spice. This lemon pepper, you can put a lot. See, lemon peppers. And a lot of water. Again, you don't have to be shy. You can add a lot of stuff. Believe me. This Old Bay seasoning, very delicious seasoning. Look, we're gonna go ahead and put a good amount. Wow, so nice. So nice. A little bit soy sauce. Kikoman. Like that. Pepper, we have black pepper. Like that. And then I'm gonna grab Himalayan pink salt, see? And this, see, since so much water, see, this is a lot of salt. Very nice. Like that. Very nice. Looks beautiful, and looks, we have chicken bouillon soup. We're gonna put in here too. It's okay. Even though this is not chicken, but it's gonna give flavor. You know, more flavor the better when you're cooking. What I learned, you know, just don't want to overdo. But in this, when you're boiling, you can be creative. You can put more spices. Make sure your little tongue, you know, all the way in that thing. If not, you know, it's gonna take some time. It'll go in all the way. See? So the tongue is in there. This is what we wanted. And we're gonna close the lid. And you have to boil like this for about 5 hours, guys and girls. 5 hours. Long time. But I'm telling you, the food, the product, the tongue is gonna be softer than any steak you've ever had. This is gonna be so delicious. So delicious. Like this. Right now it's on high. You can put lower because it's already boiling. You want it on about 2.6, 2.4 for 5 hours. Little bit boiling for 5 hours. And it's going to be so amazing. Delicious. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.